A potential 2.1% decrease in Pepe is projected for tomorrow per 30 rates. Let's begin with a glance at the most recent market action. Pepe is currently showing a 3.9% rise over the last 24 hours and is priced near 0.50's $405. Let's review some forecast scenarios now. Coin price forecast believes the price could edge down to 0.50's $402 by tomorrow, nearly 0.8% lower than now. CoinCodex projects Pepe will decline towards 0.50's $401, implying a drop of 1%. Digital coin price highlights the potential to move downward to 0.50's $398, a projected fall of 1.8%. A different forecast from 30 rates notes Pepe could head lower to 0.50's $397, about 2.1% below current levels. To finish, Traders Union predicts a drop to 0.50's $391 by February 26, 3.6% under current levels. This is the most profitable setup. That's 5 different outlooks covered. Let's keep going. Forecasts reviewed. Here's what each implies in figures. The data from all analysts combined indicates the price could move within the range between a decrease of 3.6% and a decline of 0.8%, depending on the analyst. Looking at the numbers, Traders Union comes out on top with 3.6% boost in value by tomorrow. Looking at the numbers, you could earn between $8 and $36 for every $1,000 you invest. According to volatility analysis, coin price forecast has a 98.5% likelihood of being right. Out of the 5 perspectives, I've drawn one consolidated consensus outlook. The consensus calculation indicates Pepe trading near 0.50's $398. Here's what the breakdown shows. Consensus expectations call for a 1.9% reduction in value. And by that same proportion, your capital would also reflect an increase. With 1,000 as a base, the numbers might indicate $19 gained. Consensus modeling suggests that the probability of this forecast materializing is 97.4%. At this point in the analysis, let's review the 3-day forecasts. Coin price forecast projects Pepe trading without major changes. A decline is anticipated by CoinCodex, with bearish pressure in play. Digital coin price highlights stability, pointing out that Pepe is unlikely to shift significantly. 30 rates points to further weakness. Likewise, Traders Union projects weaker prices ahead. The consensus points to Pepe trading below current levels during this horizon. In conclusion, 60% of the outlooks point to a bearish path for Pepe. 5 forecasts for tomorrow were published 2 days ago. Tomorrow has come and gone, so here's how they performed. In the end, yesterday's record shows a close at 0.50's $395. With this final price, all 5 analysts were correct about the direction. The forecast with the smallest deviation was from CoinLore. Here comes the breakdown. The candle contained 2 forecasts yesterday. As far as ROI is concerned, several results were positive, with the peak gain reaching 5.7%. Here's the daily summary, how every forecast actually worked out. For comparison, digital coin price reached minus 4.1% ROI and 0.60's $179,813 accuracy. See if you can spot which predictions were the most successful. Let's see how tomorrow's forecasted returns compare between Pepe and a few other coins. Arbitrum takes first place in the forecast comparison, reaching 4.4%, while Pepe ranks lower. At the moment, Pepe is reviewed with 4 cryptocurrencies, but a full comparison featuring many others will soon be on my site and Telegram. You made it this far, and that's awesome. If this was worth your time, a like would be amazing. See you soon.